Miracles, signs, wonders, healings are the food of the children of God. And so ever you ask in my name, I will do, that your joy may be full. Receive the ministry of the prophet.
Sorry. Oh, today is not a miracle service. May healing service in the month of October on the 4th to on the 8th. I am strictly healings. And then the Yabano or the Mosaba, Yabanda Mosaba. Mama, Opowa should show you so. Oh, rather than sound you really say, they can testify that God is good. What day? Found some you need to go. Okay, what did be? Be saying a coupon. No, I'm out what they are saying. I'm out for what? I'll be there dancing. What? Ever day, nipper in any and maybe one dancing. Mamma, home about this. Home, Shikumu, one, Chino, Chimensa, Pa, a siso. Brother, that was sick. Amen. Mammy, my name is Sampa. Then I'll come for swap for me. Or could you fear me? Put them as a fire. I show when we know. That was amen. Sister, Auntie, my just run on here. We or what can I know? Sister, we or what can I want to call off. I see I'm from call to Nikolai Bassa. Say, hey, when I say, and Jesus, I say, amen. Oh, call awful. It's a poison of frono. And I'll call you. I know now on Namheri. Meanwhile, problem is in India. If God brought her up, life, God will bring your own life. My dears, when you went, God has started doing it. You have seen things coming. Are you sure we are not lying? Madam, we are not lying. No story. It will continue from the house as well. Why? Between today and tomorrow afternoon, you see that I am full. It's not a healing service, but because we have come, so that you don't go and say they were lying with stories, you must also go home and experience some. Mommy, what are you saying? You're not in a C4. That's not your wife. Ceremony we who know that Papa will check it. Oh, Papa will check it, and I know. Or exercise. Or exercise. Powerful. That is sorry, you here. Yes. Sorry, you here. Sorry, you here. Jesus. Mommy, the area one. When you be there. One say, oh wow, Unai ahas, share. Iha sa ilu. One say, as I said ya, akobinya mozupula, chino. One say that chum, na ya. That is not even when you are walking, even when you are sitting or something. Inti na bibi na satia airy. Na fluid na ewo na imu no ebuama, joints ni mu no. About night. The Lord is telling me, say, it costs supplements. But I want to know. We and I our papa a man of rheumatism. But what to I from what it now? What said that big now, the front big now, the sound you used to be. And I've been a couple to reach them with their air cost so would to me say, or some be away. The one and 9 18 in the opinion I say from a show. From a show. What tone I have to say? Holy Spirit. That was sister. Which one have to be a prayer? I shall be. Found any sweet. Say they are now the sweet. You first so power. So